Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on today's episode, as part of our Bring That Mercedes Back from the Dead series, we're going to be focusing on carpet cleaning. Now the carpets, if you're not familiar with the older Mercedes, there's the driver and the passenger front, and then the passenger and the driver's side rear. Those snap in and they come out, which is the majority of the carpet. Now there is some carpet up on the sides and the tunnel area and all that, but the majority of the carpet and the majority of where it gets dirty is where you put your feet. I'm going to show you these things are disgusting, and I'm going to show you the formula that I use to get all that stuff off. Now most of what's on there is going to be kind of an oily stuff you pick up off your feet, tar, oil, grease, all that mixed in with some dirt and some cola spills and stuff like that. Now these carpets are really, well, they're the original to the car, they're 83, so they're also really faded. But my goal is to get them clean and where they don't have any scent to it. And what I'm getting ready to use is a very aggressive cleaner. It's not gonna hurt the carpet at all. It's just very aggressive, and it works really good on the Mercedes because you can pull them out of the car and do them outside. So I'm going to show you what they look like. I did one yesterday, a little test, and I need to be a little bit more aggressive. I'm going to show you that one and then show you the other three that I haven't done yet. Okay, so this is the carpet that I cleaned yesterday, and I know it looks like it's still dirty, but there are a couple of marks in here, and there are a few little spots, but it's fairly clean. It's just really faded. Now this is the driver's side. These things are just disgusting. This is the back seat, back driver's side, and this is the passenger side. Now on the Mercedes carpets, they have these, they're like foam pads that are glued to the back, so you do have to be careful with these because what can happen is they crack over time and they can peel up like this one's doing. Okay, what we're going to be using is we're going to be using some Citrol. I've got that straight in a spray bottle. We're going to spray the carpet, each of those first, to try to break down some of the oil. I'm going to use 1 capful of Tide. I've got a bucket that's got a couple gallons of water, and I'm going to use 1 scoop of OxyClean and my brush. This is a like a tire brush, the Tough. I'll put the link in Amazon. This thing is the best brush I've found for carpet because it's aggressive, but it's not too aggressive. And also this is hot water. Okay, that's what you need. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set the camera behind me and just go at it. It's pretty self-explanatory. You'll see what I'm doing, and I'll probably run it in fast motion. Rinsing the carpet is going to be a little bit different than what I would normally do if it was inside the car, just because we have to get aggressive, and these things are so dirty. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to just set these out here and let the Citrol work. I'm not grinding the force too much. It should just be a little bit extra on this pad. This driver's side is not as bad as the other. I'm going to do this one, so I'll spray that too. The reason that I like on charger is because, well, its main job is to clean fibers, right? Use clean clothes, and it doesn't have high sudding, which is the reason that I don't recommend using things like Dawn dishwashing liquid and all that stuff will foam up so bad. And it's like you'll never get the foam out. I'm just going to use one tube. That much. Okay. You know what that dissolves for a minute. Make sure you guys see this. So all I do is just really wet it. So once I got the mats, I'm just going to set that aside and let the oxy clean. Work on. This is what I did last night. I did not use oxy clean. Go to citral. Alright, so I want to show you guys something real quick. There was a little spot of ink, and that citral is unbelievably powerful. So if you have a situation like this where there's a little bit of ink on there, you don't want to spread it around on the carpet. So I'm going to hit it again. This stuff is just unbelievable. I'm going to try to blot that up with a microfiber towel, and then I'll proceed to continue with my scrubbing. So I've been rinsing this for a while. This is what you have to do to get all the OxiClean and everything out. Now the carpet is still, it's always going to be faded. I suppose I could take some carpet dye and do it, but I'm not going to do that. I just want it clean. I don't know if you can see how dirty the water is. Looks like coffee coming out. See if I can bring you all in a little closer. Totally disgusting. Alright, now after we have cleaned and rinsed all the carpet pads, then we're just going to let it hang dry. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure that these are completely dry. This has got like foam in it, and it takes a while to really get it dry, so try if you can to let it stay in the sun outside, and it's probably going to take a couple days before I'll actually put them back in the car.